Hello guys, this is Anuj Sharma, the head of strategy for Elets, and we are reporting live here from World Fintech Summit, a joint initiative by Elets Technomedia and Karnataka ITBT department. I have the fortunate of welcoming Mr. Johnson K. Jose, the Group President and Chief Technology Officer from the Federal Bank. First of all, sir, thank you so much for taking out time for this
Thank you.
exclusive interaction. It's a pleasure to have you here. Uh, this is a two-day initiative that we have undertaken, and the whole idea is to gather, some like-minded people, the leaders and the CXOs from the fintech, BFSI, NBFC, insurance community, and take some insightful, meaningful discussions, exchange of ideas, and then come to some conclusion with some meaningful collaborations through this platform. So, Mr. Juice, can you tell us something about your experience of attending today's second day of the program and what has been some key takeaways for you if you would like to highlight some of them?
Yeah, I would say this is a great gathering of a lot of like-minded people, plus some of the new initiatives that is happening across the country. So I had the opportunity of meeting with quite a few of the new partners that are probably some of them are already working with us, and some of them I've met them new, so that we can take up those activities also to back to our organization, try and understand how we can work with those kind of partners. As every technology, we may not be able to build that within the organization. We have to depend upon some of the partners who can help us in growing that. One is identifying the right resources who can do that in house will not be what do you call it's a time taking process. Rather than that, if I can partner with somebody who has already done that and is successful in that activity, it will be much more easier and faster to take it to the market. So I have got the opportunity to connect with multiple people, multiple such peoples, and I'm very happy to have those interactions. And I feel that we will be able to have more fruitful interactions and association with these people. So thanks, Elets, for having this organized.
Great, sir. Glad to have you again here. Secondly, Federal Bank, being one of the leading, private banks here, based out of, southern part of the country. Specifically, can you tell us how Federal Bank is contributing, towards the fintech economy and how they are itself like promoting some startups or some other fintechs, and internally within Federal Bank also how what is the scenario for the fintech, to scale up the operations and all. If you can highlight some of the initiatives that Federal Bank is doing in this.
Okay. Um, Today, we partner with more than 10 plus fintech organizations across the country. We are not stopping there, we are continuing to grow on that. We started with a small fund which we use to help the fintech, growing fintech to grow on that. Then slowly we moved into an environment where we created a separate department which can identify the partner, fintech partner, and then use them in our environment so that we can reach to the customers. We today have partners who can create CASA for us, as well as for identifying customers who need loan and other related products from us. So we have a range of partnership with multiple fintechs, where we are continuing to grow the number of partnerships that we are having.
Okay, wonderful, Mr. Jose. One last question I would like to ask you, specifically, related to some of the support or collaborations which government is also intending to do with the banks and fintechs. So, what is some maybe is there any kind of feedback or any kind of collaboration that you would want to explore with the Karnataka IT department or any government, and how it can happen? Maybe if you can have some ideas around that, how government can maybe work together with the banks on this mission.
Yeah, as I said earlier, we participate in any such events where there is an opportunity for us to identify a potential partner with whom we can work with. So, like the governments of Kerala, government of Tamil Nadu, government of Karnataka, we are very actively in discussion to identify some of these capabilities and to work along with them. We also partner with some Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. We have worked with the tax departments to identify the opportunities where we will be able to create some platform through which the tax can be credited, and those activities are still continuing. We keep on growing on those kind of opportunities wherever that is available.
Excellent, sir. I think it was great to know, the vision of Federal Bank under the leadership of Mr. Johnson Jose, the Chief Technology Officer and Group President of Federal Bank. And this is Anuj signing off from today's interaction. It was glad to have you here, sir. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
joining.